Hello, so today I'm going to talk about Prodigy and what it is. I use this about every day in my classroom, and it's a online video game platform that tests kids and teaches them on math levels that they're actually at. So you can assign them grade level math, but I'm letting them work at their own pace, which is great for this. When you log in, you have an option to have different classes as well. So if you are in the upper grades, you can you can use this in different classes. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at my class. It shows you, this is your dashboard. It shows you how many kids are working at home and in class. So today, 51 questions were answered at home after school, and then in class, 139 questions were answered by my total class. If you scroll down, you can actually look at what grade level your students were tested on. We'll go ahead and view the full report. These bubbles are really nice because it does show you how many students reached what grade level in what category. So if we look here in geometry, I actually have one student who placed into third grade, and then I have multiple students who placed into fourth grade, and so on. So knowing that I am teaching fourth grade and most of my students are doing okay in fourth grade, that's really good to hear. I do have some students that are performing lower, which is expected when you're doing online instruction. As far as reports go, there are so many different things you can look at. Like I said before, I do assign lessons that we are covering in class, and then they also work on things on their own. So we can actually go to weekly activity and it'll tell me, so right here, multiplication, addition, and subtraction tells me the percentages that students are getting and what grade level they're actually performing at. As far as the actual game goes, I'm going to log in onto a fake account that I created for this purpose. And show you what the site actually looks like for the kids. So this over here, this is my character, and I just made her move to a different scene in the story map. We're going to just go ahead and close out of this. They have to travel to find someone they can battle. So we're just going to go ahead and click on this little guy right here. And so when they do a wizard battle, it'll actually give them a set of questions on a skill that you're currently testing on. So in this demo account, I chose place value because that is what my kids actually need help with. So it says round to the nearest 100. We're going to go ahead and just put in 800, which is the correct answer. And if they get an answer correct, they get to battle the other wizard and get points, and they can earn lives and all kinds of prizes. So that's just a little insight on Prodigy and what it looks like for the kids. We're going to go ahead and go back to back to the home screen. We'll go back to the dashboard. And so it actually, in my class, my kids are really competitive. So we'll actually do like challenges to see who can get the top ranks for the day. You can do yesterday, the whole week, or even last week. So that's an ongoing thing that we do in my class. It really helps with differentiation. Like I said, it tests the kids on where they're at too, and it gives them lessons on what they need to focus on, not just what you're doing in class. This is a really great tool. I know a lot of teachers use it all over the place. So if you're ever looking for something to help your kids with math, I totally recommend Prodigy.